Hey everyone, happy Thursday lunchtime. Hopefully, I'm catching a few of you as you have your lunch. I'm popping up because this morning I ran the sort of follow-up session from the Design in a Day program that I piloted with a few VIPs at the end of last year. So I'm not popping up to tell you all about it because we need to do some thinking about how to make that better for the future, if indeed we're going to run it again. The reason that I'm popping up is because right at the end, there was some incredibly powerful feedback for me, and it wasn't anything to do with me. It's to do with the process, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. The participants on the program said that going through the program had been a real eye opener for them because, like lots of people, they used to design in PowerPoint. So, yep, I've got all my slides done, and then it is designed. And it was only when they came to actually run the session, the day before, looking through, checking everything, that they realized just how many holes they were in that design and how far from finished it actually was. So going through this program where I really, really stressed the importance of writing a session plan, they said it just really completely opened their eyes, and how in the past they used to think the session plan was something they would do if they had time. Now, actually, it's completely flipped. So the session plan is the crucial thing, and you do the slides if you get the time. Because let's be honest, even with virtual training, you can run a training session without slides. Certainly face to face, when I used to be a jobbing trainer, the number of times I would turn up at a venue and find that I couldn't use the facilities to plug my laptop in. It wasn't compatible, they didn't have a screen, whatever. And if I'd been relying on slides to run that session, I would have been absolutely wrecked. So the session plan is the main thing. So completely switching it onto its head, following a clear design process rather than just opening PowerPoint, um, is going to save you so much time. It's really going to pay you dividends. One of the participants at the end said, having done this process, I feel, I'm looking at my notes here, I feel a lot less stressed and a lot more confident in my training design. And you think it's going to take you longer, but it isn't. What happens with it is it takes longer to get it done, but then you spend a heck of a lot less time revising it. Once it's done, it's done. You don't need to keep going back. And the other important thing with creating a reasonable session plan is, for one, you don't have to try and remember what you meant when you wrote it if you're delivering it. Two, it's far easier to outsource if you use associates or you work in part of a team and someone else might have to deliver it. And thirdly, it helps give your stakeholders real confidence in what you're going to deliver. Rather than seeing 30 slides and you saying, trust me, I'm a trainer, it works brilliantly. Um, that's a bit of a risk, isn't it? Whereas if I can see in detail exactly what you're going to do, that's going to give me so much more confidence. So there are so many reasons why we need to design session plans. And yes, it's something I teach. Yes, it's something I can support with you one-to-one, but there are resources about this. So if you go onto the website, you look under the Learn to Design Training tab, and there's loads of stuff that you can get there. You've got how-to guides, you've got top tip videos, and you've got courses that will take you through the principles and show you step by step how to design a really robust session plan. And trust me, just trust me, there is nothing gives me greater pleasure than opening up a session plan and feeling that I know exactly what's going to happen. It's a false economy if you start elsewhere. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave you with that thought. Hope you're having a great Thursday, and check out those resources. Honestly, you won't regret it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.